My name's Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to make a homemade stain remover. Find an empty spray bottle, and if you don't have a funnel, you can fold a piece of paper like this and tape it. It works great. You want to add a half cup of baking soda and a half a cup of peroxide, and 1 cup of hot water. Oops, making a mess. Just put the lid on. Give it a good shake. Try not to spray it everywhere. And it's ready to go. You can spray it on any stain. You can rub the material against itself or use a sponge, whatever you prefer. Let it sit overnight and then throw it in the washing machine. My name's Rachel Utuzis, and that's how you make a homemade stain remover.